All right, so today we're taking a look at this VTech 4-line business phone. Now this is gonna be great because you could also expand this system out to 10 other lines. So you might wanna use this as kind of like your main base, and then you could also have 10 other phone lines that are kind of connected to this. Now, like I said, this is gonna be a 4 business line phone. So it's gonna come with 4 of these telephone cable wires, and you can connect all of these here in the back. So you've got all these 4 connections over here in the back that you can connect to different lines. And this is what it's going to look like up close. Let's go ahead and go through some of the settings, some of the options that this has. So of course, the first thing you're going to see here is that it has a large number pad right here in the middle. Over here on the side is you're going to have a memory card, which you can add a bunch of different numbers and contacts on this side. Then over here on the side, you've got all the different types of controls. So if you need to put somebody on hold, you need to transfer the line over. If you need to do some type of conference call, if you need to auto redial, so like maybe you need to call the person back they were just on the phone with. You've also got options for intercom. You've got a speaker, headset. Then you've got other basic options here like the mute and the volume up and down. Now on the screen, you're gonna see that there are the 4 lines. If I click one of these buttons, you'll see that the line lights up, and this is gonna allow you to know which line you're on. So if I connect it, then I close it, that means that it ended the line call on line number 1. It also is going to have this brightly lit screen as well. So this is really easy to see, especially if it's in the middle of the day and the sun is out. Sometimes you'll get a glare on here, but I like the fact that they had it to where this will go ahead and automatically light up for you. Now over here on the top, this is going to be all your different controls for your voicemail and message waiting. So you can see here that this will connect to your mailbox. You've got a call history on here. You've got a directory. This is going to be how you connect to the menu. So let's go ahead and slide through a couple of the menu options here. You've got your call history, you've got your ranger settings, you've got your console setup, the different line modes, and anything else that you need to set up in here. So you could also do things like custom music for waiting. You could set up different voicemail options, and there's just so many different options here when it comes to changing the settings here inside of this phone. Because this is meant for larger businesses, you can have a lot more control over all different types of calling. Now this pad in here is going to allow us to control this up and down. So if we want to change the dial mode, we would just go ahead and click over. Now it's going to bring us to the different dial mode options, and we can do everything on there. And then if we hit back, it's going to bring us back to the main menu, and then back again, it's going to bring us back here to the control panel. Now another great thing about this is it's going to have a 32 option speed dial. So if you've got a lot of different numbers that you need saved and you're going to be contacting these people on a daily basis, then having that 32-piece speed dial is really going to be helpful. But probably one of the most beneficial things about this is that it's got a very good connectivity. So you're always going to have really good connectivity when it comes to talking on the phone. Plus the sound quality of this is great because it is a connected line. So comparing this to something that's going to be fully wireless, I would say that this is going to have a much better sound quality. So if you're looking for a business phone to set up for your business that has options up to 10 additional lines to the 4 lines on here, and something that just has a bunch of different controls, and I would definitely recommend picking this up.